Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
Jawa Motorcycles is geared up for the much-awaited third edition of Ibex Trail as a part of Jawa Yezdi Nomads. This time, the Ibex Trail would be an extraordinary and thrilling journey to explore the terrains of Zanskar. The Jawa Yezdi initiative is aimed towards exploring the mountains and unleashing the capabilities of biking skills. The thrilling Ibex Trail by Jawa Venue and Commencement dates of Jawa Ibex Trail. The third edition of the Ibex Trail is ready to deliver an unforgettable experience to the riders. This trail is an 11-day journey starting from 13th July and ending on 23rd July. The riders will cover the distance of 132 kilometers in the duration of 11 days through the Zanskar region. The journey comprises tough roads, challenging tracks, and thrilling trails. Moreover, the journey continues through the majestic mountain passes, reaching heights of up to 17,480 feet. Along the scenic route of Manali, Jispa, Purne, Padam, Pensila, Photoksar, Leh, Sarchu, riders will be treated to breathtaking locations. This is an adventure where every moment is filled with the thrill of exploration and the beauty of nature. A still from the previous edition of Jawa Ibex Trail about Zanskar region. Zanskar is a name derived from the region's abundant copper deposits, Zan, and its picturesque valley, Skar. Famed for its majestic range, a division between Ladakh and Kashmir, this expedition will take the nomads through rugged terrain. This journey will navigate the riders through the Shinkula, 15,580 feet, and Pensila, 14,400 feet, mountain passes. The adventure continues with a medley of river crossings, off-road trails, and the enchanting embrace of the cold desert sands. Moreover, this year's itinerary includes a trek to Phugtal Gonpa, a historic monastery nestled within a natural cave. This mystical sanctuary, accessible only on foot, promises a truly unique and unforgettable experience. Participation details. Participation in this thrilling ride comes with a nominal fee of 25 rupees, 000 per person. This trail will ensure that all riders are well taken care of throughout the journey. The fee covers essential aspects such as comfortable accommodation, daily meals to fuel your adventures, complete service, and health support. Additionally, all permits required for the ride and exclusive ride merchandise are included. To guarantee a seamless and enjoyable experience, a team of skilled Jawa Yezdi technicians will provide backup support whenever needed. Safety is a top priority, and a dedicated medical support team will be available throughout the ride. Riders will also receive basic first aid training before embarking on the adventure. Jawa will make every effort to ensure your comfort, safety, and peace of mind during this journey. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Autocar India for more updates.